Hey YouTubers, and today I'd like to thank everyone because now I have 11 subscribers and I got 2 new ones today. Wait, let me put it where there's more light. So, anyway, that has been my goal, get at least 10 or more subscribers. Well, for now. My ultimate goal is to get like 100, but you guys, well, I guess you gotta start small first. So I'd like to thank all of you guys. Yes. And I was getting like crazy emails saying someone commented on one of my videos, or someone subscribed to me, or something. So thanks. Thanks a lot.